Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have a perfect living replica of something complex, like a jet engine, a skyscraper, or even an entire city? A copy that you could test, stress, and experiment on without any real-world consequences. Well, welcome to the mind-blowing world of digital twins. This isn't just a fancy 3D model or a simulation. A digital twin is a dynamic, virtual duplicate of a physical object or system, constantly updated with real-time data from its real-world counterpart. Think of it as a bridge between the physical and digital worlds. So, how does this actually work? Imagine a wind turbine spinning out in a field. It's covered in sensors measuring everything: blade speed, temperature, vibrations, and energy output. This stream of data is fed in real time to its digital twiner, highly detailed virtual model of that exact turbine. If a sensor on the real turbine detects an unusual vibration, the digital twin reflects that change instantly. Engineers can then see the problem, analyze its potential causes, and even test solutions on the virtual model before ever sending a crew out for repairs. This continuous flow of information is what makes digital twins so powerful. They're not static. They evolve and change right alongside their physical counterparts. This allows for predictive maintenance, fixing problems before they even happen. The digital twin can run simulations, predicting that a certain bearing will fail in 3 months based on current wear patterns. This saves immense amounts of time and money and dramatically increases safety and efficiency. But the applications go way beyond just single objects. Let's scale this up. Think about city planning. Urban developers are creating digital twins of entire cities. These virtual metropolises are fed data from traffic sensors, public transport systems, weather stations, and energy grids. City planners can then use this digital twin to simulate the impact of building a new subway line. How will it affect traffic flow during rush hour? What will be the impact on air quality in nearby neighborhoods? They can test dozens of scenarios virtually, optimizing the project for the best possible outcome before a single shovel hits the ground. This helps create smarter, more sustainable, and more livable cities for everyone. Healthcare is another field being revolutionized by this technology. Imagine a digital twin of your own heart, created from your specific MRI scans, EKG data, and health records. Doctors could use this virtual heart to test the effectiveness of different medications or simulate a complex surgical procedure before ever making an incision. This personalized approach to medicine could lead to more effective treatments and better patient outcomes. It's like having a custom-tailored healthcare plan tested for you on your virtual self. The manufacturing industry is also a huge adopter. Before a new car model even goes into production, its digital twin has already been built, tested, and refined thousands of times in the virtual world. Engineers can simulate crash tests, optimize aerodynamics, and fine-tune engine performance, all within the digital realm. This drastically shortens the development cycle and leads to better, safer products. On the factory floor, a digital twin of the entire production line can monitor every robot and machine, predicting maintenance needs and identifying bottlenecks to keep everything running smoothly. So, what's the secret sauce that makes all of this possible? It's a convergence of several key technologies. First, the Internet of Things, or IoT, which provides the network of sensors collecting all that real-time data. Second, cloud computing, which offers the massive processing power and storage needed to handle these huge datasets and complex simulations. And finally, artificial intelligence and machine learning, which analyze the data, identify patterns, and make the intelligent predictions that give digital twins their predictive power. Of course, creating and maintaining a digital twin is no small feat. It requires sophisticated modeling, immense data processing capabilities, and robust cybersecurity to protect the constant flow of information. As the technology becomes more widespread, we'll also need to consider the ethical implications. Who owns the data from a digital twin of a person or a city? How do we ensure privacy and security? These are important questions we'll need to answer as we move forward, but the potential is undeniable. From building more efficient airplanes and smarter cities to delivering personalized medicine and optimizing global supply chains. Digital twins are giving us an unprecedented ability to understand, predict, and improve the world around us. We are essentially creating a virtual sandbox where we can test the future. We're moving from a world of reactive problem solving to one of proactive optimization. This technology represents a fundamental shift in how we interact with the physical world. It's about making data-driven decisions on a scale we've never seen before. The next time you see a complex piece of machinery or a massive construction project, take a moment to consider that somewhere in the digital realm, its twin might be working tirelessly, running simulations and predicting the future, all to make our world a safer, smarter, and more efficient place. Thanks for watching. If you found this dive into the world of digital twins fascinating, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more explorations into the tech that's shaping our future. See you in the next one.